Our vision is for the Defence Data Research Centre to provide a world-leading transdisciplinary research centre that brings an integrated approach to addressing the technical, cultural and behavioural barriers to the use of data within AI and data science. We will do this by delivering practical insights to advance the use of data for artificial intelligence applications, investigating data-driven decision-making within a defence context, and exploring how solutions and mitigations developed by the centre could be applied elsewhere to benefit the wider UK economy.
The Defence Data Research Centre is part of the MOD's Defence AI Centre. The MOD recognises the importance of data in enabling application of AI and data science. MOD is transitioning from an organisation where data was an enabler for specific applications to one where data can be shared and exploited in many different ways and is seen as the heart of the enterprise. This requires much greater attention to data design, curation, discovery and repurposing. The MOD also has the challenge of working with vast quantities of legacy data developed before modern data practices were developed, which present many challenges in terms of data quality, description and accessibility, among others. Such data is not without value, and the challenge now is to get much of it into a fit state for the 21st century. The DDRC will help us to overcome some of the barriers to using data and enable us to realise much of the hidden value of our data to better support the defence and security of the UK.
The DDRC comprises a consortium led by the University of Exeter, supported by the Universities of Liverpool and Surrey and the Digital Catapult. The group at the University of Exeter brings together the Initiative in the Digital Economy at Exeter and the Institute for Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. DDRC also includes Surrey Centre for Cybersecurity, which consolidates research activities in cybersecurity across the University of Surrey and the University of Liverpool, where it builds on several prior research projects that they have done in the Department of Communications and Media Studies.
At the Surrey Centre for Cybersecurity, we're interested in security and privacy aspects of data, with a particular focus on trustworthiness and resilience.
Understanding the impact of data and AI can't just be about the delivery of new algorithms or technology solutions. We need to make sure we take a more rounded approach and look at the technology whilst also considering the environments and the organisations that they may be deployed in. So at the University of Liverpool, we'll be providing social science insights for the DDRC on the important questions of organisational uses and management of data, bias in data, ethics in data use, and workforce skills and digital literacies.
Data-driven innovation is often quite narrowly defined in terms of technologies used in data acquisition or the details of the algorithms that form the heart of how the data is analysed. In any data-driven approach, this focus is necessary, but it's not sufficient really to grasp the full implications of the disruptive impact this shift creates. In practice, a much broader perspective is essential. So in DDRC, we'll view data-driven innovation as the alignment of three critical perspectives: desirability, viability, and feasibility. What is desirability to users? Well, successful data-driven innovations got to solve problems that matter to somebody in a way that can readily be adopted into their operating environment. So we need to spend time concerning ourselves, what is that desirability? What are the needs? The second is the viability in the marketplace. Any data-driven innovation has to add a product or a service, new capabilities that meets the needs of those operating environments or the organizational structures or the economic conditions in which it's deployed. And then finally, the feasibility. The feasibility of the technology is the technical capabilities. What is it that this technology provides that will make a difference? DDRC is interested in all three of these perspectives. We often see a gap between the state of the art and the state of the practice. The state of the art is typically found in universities and research and development departments, where they're using new technologies to gain insight, to raise new opportunities, to look at new advances, but they haven't really been deployed in any organizations. Whereas the state of the practice is found in a new organization's approaches to applying technology, to look at how that technology can change what they do today and look to the future. But typically they haven't scaled. So we're really interested in how we move from state of the art to state of the practice into scaled use.
The application of AI and data science within the MOD will create enhanced capability, greater efficiency and faster decision making. However, this can only be realised by having data that is accessible and fit for purpose. Making inroads into this will not only provide benefit to the MOD, but also to the wider UK economy, as DDRC are tasked to exploit the outcomes in the widest possible manner.
The Centre has been formed to undertake research addressing challenges from the defence sector. Within the next year, we'll be working in the areas of logistics, healthcare, synthetic data, data management, understanding attitudes to data, and resilience.
More information on the Centre and our current projects can be found on the DDRC website.